Hello and good morning everyone. Today's video is going to be my real fall morning routine. Today was a Friday and I woke up at 8 a.m. because I had so much to get done before the weekend started, but recently I've been waking up anywhere between 8 and 9:30. As per usual, I go on my phone first thing, unfortunately, and I just check up on anything that I missed during the night. Then opening the blinds is a must for me to get the light into my room, and then I go straight into skincare. I make sure to wash my face from the night before. And then I put in my contacts, otherwise I actually can't even see myself in the mirror. I'm always switching up my skincare routine, but lately I've been using Bare Minerals Ageless Face Creams. Also in the fall and winter months, my hands get really dry, so I make sure to put some moisturizer. I also quickly put on some chapstick, hair oil, and a little bit of makeup just for the sake of this video. After all this, I head into the kitchen and I get myself a glass of water and I take my vitamins. It is, I want to say bright and early, but it's not that bright and it's not as early as I would hope. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my fall morning routine because I feel like the fall is just so much different than any other season. It's a little bit of the something blues. It's not the same as like spring or summer when you're naturally awoken by birds and like the sun. Everything that you've seen so far, just like all the little bathroom stuff and like taking my vitamins and drinking water, that is like my routine that I do every single day whenever I wake up. That honestly sets me on a right tone by already washing my face, doing my skincare, drinking some water, and then I'm more prepared to take on the day. If you are new to my channel, hello. I am currently a full-time YouTuber, whatever, social media person. I realized that last semester being my first semester not in school, it was really easy to do a lot of stuff and wake up early and fill my days with productivity, but this being my first fall out of school, it is so much harder to motivate yourself when you are working for yourself rather than going to school and you have someone that you need to be and like show up. It's a lot harder to show up for yourself. Anyways, I have a lot planned today because it's a fall morning routine, so we're gonna make like pumpkin pancakes. I am gonna clean up my room a little bit because it's really messy. Normally I don't have breakfast right away because it's like too early. I'm like way too lazy to start cooking yet. I need to like ease into it. So much better, so much more relieved. Obviously, you know, cleaning your room makes you feel so much better, but I don't think it's just cleaning your room. I think it's more like if you set candles and light some incense, you just feel so much better. And now it's about like 9:30, and then I kind of want to start getting ready around like 10:30. We have some apple cinnamon tea, which I feel like will really get me in the vibe since the weather still isn't that good outside, but let's make that right now. Starting to peek through. We can give my little tea a taste test together. Oh my god, that is delicious. Honestly, I added a lot of sugar to it. I added 2 Splendas and I put creamer in it, like vanilla creamer, but that is so good. Does anyone else find drinking tea more satisfying when you can use a spoon? If you don't know what Notion is, that is what I use like every single day to write down all my stuff. That's where I write my calendar and that's how I have my agenda. I went on YouTube and I just searched up Notion agenda template. On Notion, you can add like a whole bunch of pages, but you can also copy other people's pages and then change everything that's on it. I would share with you guys my page, but I need to make a blank one so that you guys aren't like copying what's already on mine. The first thing I'll do is go on my computer and I check my agenda. I'll check off what I did the day before and then review like what I have to do today. Go in my email, see if there's anything I need to answer. I'll go on my text messages, see if anyone texted me last night or like my manager texted me and there's something that I need to get on with. For today's agenda, I have some like stories and Instagram posts and a video that needs to be approved by a brand so that I can post it. So I need to make sure it's like 100% finished. I also need to make a Pinterest board for a project that I'm working on. So I have a lot of inspo for it and I need to also give that to somebody that is waiting on it. And then I'll probably do like a little Google Doc and basically like summarize everything that was on the Pinterest board to kind of give my general idea for this project. Yeah, that's basically the 2 things I need to do. I also need to email a few people back that I haven't emailed yet. It's already like literally 10 a.m. so I need to get started on this so that we can start making breakfast because I'm not gonna have enough time to do everything I need to do today. Out my outfits because what I'm doing today is like a content taking day. I need to take a lot of photos and I need to like shoot certain items, but I need to bring like 3 outfits. Okay, I have not planned fall outfits in a minute or taken photos like here. Literally since like New York, I feel like I haven't taken like good like content photos. So I'm so excited. All of these outfits I'm actually really a fan of. So let me show you. First, I have this one. I want to take like pictures in like my North Face sweater vest. And these gloves are so cute. They're from Brandy Melville. Then I have my Dickies pants. This is thrifted. Then I have this outfit. This is from Princess Polly. This is thrifted. Princess Polly, thrifted. And I have some brown knee-high socks. And then I have this red leather jacket. This is thrifted. This is from Karina's Boutique. And then I have a black purse. And then I don't know if I should wear either these like star socks. I don't really know if stars and stripes match, or I just have black knee-high socks. And for this outfit, I have a leather jacket, and then I'm gonna wear a flannel under it, and then a white t-shirt. It's gonna be a lot of layering, and then I'm gonna have jeans and this bag. Not really sure if this bag matches with this. This is thrifted. This is from Yes Style. This is from Realization Par. This is from Princess Polly, and this is thrifted. I've got my computer here with me, and today we're going to be making pumpkin spice pancakes, which I think is gonna be so good. I've never had pumpkin pancakes before, and I'm so hungry. It's like 11:20 now. This recipe is super easy. I'll link it in the description box down below so you guys can make them as well. And yeah, my mom already made this like super easy for me and already put all the ingredients out, so all I really have to do is mix it all together, so I cannot mess this up. So we have our flour, our sugar, all of the above. We have our pumpkin puree. This is the recipe that we're gonna be copying today. Perfect. It smells so good, guys. I think you need to make this. I mean, I haven't even tried it yet and it already smells insane. Hello guys, it is actually the next day. I am going to have a mental breakdown. All the footage that I filmed for the rest of this morning routine actually disappeared. It was on my SD card, but then my SD card broke, so it was basically all useless because I couldn't actually import it to my computer. I'm just very upset. I'm just gonna finish, I guess, my morning routine for the rest of the day on this day, just because the only thing that I had left was to do my makeup routine and my hair and pick an outfit, but I don't mind doing that again. So we're just gonna pretend that this is all a part of the same day. I currently just had breakfast, so we're actually at the same point. I've done my skincare routine, same thing you guys saw yesterday. Today is a very sunny day, so I think I'm gonna just hang out with my boyfriend all morning. It's actually been super sunny and it's supposed to be sunny until tomorrow. I always use the Got2b gel for eyebrow gel, and I put it in my eyebrows normally before I start like my entire makeup routine. It works so well and it makes filling in my eyebrows so much easier. I'm gonna do a segment called things that I'm struggling with right now, because I always see Victoria Paris do this and I actually really appreciate that she does this and is like very open with her following. For me right now, it is trying to stay motivated during this like weather and super productive, and it's honestly really hard because I feel like my demographic on YouTube especially is to make like really productive videos and productive days in the life and workout and healthy and this and that, when honestly I haven't even been feeling like that myself recently, which I think is fine to showcase, especially because feeling unmotivated and unproductive or in a rut is definitely relatable, and I feel like a lot of you guys may be experiencing this right now with school even, or work, or anything, especially with this gloomy weather. Halloween just happened, so I feel like a lot of people either had plans and now their schedule's like out of line or their routine, but also I don't know if people can relate to, or it's more specific to me because I spend a lot of time on camera or taking photos. You know, when everyone compares themselves to like other people online, I recently can just not stop comparing myself to myself. Like me, like 6 months ago, I just feel like I had my shit together. I was that girl. I was waking up so early by the sunrise, going to the gym every day, I was eating healthy, busting out videos. I don't know. So that is my current dilemma. Besides this video, I'm filming a Get My Life Together monthly reset routine because it's needed pretty bad right now. So you guys will see that too. And hopefully all together we can get our lives back. Well, maybe it's just me. But anyways, you guys can comment down below if you guys feel like this or you have any advice for me. I think something that is important to note, if any of you guys are experiencing this also, is that growth is not linear and it goes like this. And sometimes you're gonna be at a low point, sometimes you're gonna be a high point, but there's always gonna be a high point after the low point. So right now, I'm just hoping on the high point is coming. So I'm trying to think of what else I could talk about for like things that I'm struggling, but it's always so hard to be like vulnerable online because I even like it myself when I watch YouTubers and they talk a lot about like their personal life. But me being in the position myself, I feel like I could care less explaining stories online because I'm like, I don't even know these people, like, even though y'all are my besties, but it's like I don't even know you, so I don't really care to say that. But it's like my parents watch my videos, my past coaches probably maybe have watched my videos, my extended family watches my videos, you know what I mean? Like I just have a lot of people that actually know me and I'm like, bro, I can't expose myself that hard. Some things that I'm looking forward to in the next couple months, I am having a jewelry line with a brand. You guys can actually sign up to be notified when the sale actually goes on, and it is being sold on November 6th. So if you guys want to get yourself some really cute jewelry, support me, twin with me. I'm gonna put this Chanel perfume on. This smells so good. I honestly don't even know what it's called, but it's like a circle and it looks like that. I'm not gonna do my hair, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. But a lot of you guys asked me what my hair routine is, and honestly, like as for shampoo and conditioner, I just use like Shea Moisture curl enhancing shampoo and conditioner. And then for curling my hair, I normally use this one. This is the Conair Infinity Pro wand, but recently I borrowed this from my friend and I just haven't given it back yet because it's so good. And this is the mint, I don't know what it is, it's like mint wand, but it's got this, so it's like the barrel ones, and it's just so much better. These ones that have like, it doesn't go skinnier, it's just all like this, just works so much better. And I always curl away from my face, and I do these pieces last just so that I have the face framing pieces, and I think it just looks so much better. You guys are gonna come with me to make my chai so I can officially start my day. This is literally my one from yesterday that I never finished, but this cup is super cute. I always get questions on it, but my friend actually made it for me, so she doesn't sell them. But you guys can probably do it yourself. Got my chai. I'm ready to start my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a good morning or good night whenever you're watching this. If you have made it to this point of the video, subscribe. We're trying to get to 600K. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.